They say the more you know, the less you need. And I love that, in theory. But in practice, I must be kind of a slow learner because I have a tendency to bring a lot of gear. Still, I'm always looking for ways to simplify. Back in the fall, I made this little Hobo Handline, and it was a really enjoyable project, but I ended up getting busy and I never got a chance to try it out. But this weekend, I'm actually pet sitting for my aunt and can't make it up to the property to work, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to do a little fishing. Well, the Hobo Handline will fish. That was actually a ton of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this short one, and as always, if you liked it, like it, and if you really liked it, come along for the ride, because I got a lot more headed your way. I'll see you next time.